How to remove unwanted background noise or heavy breathing in Adobe Audition.
Step 1. Open your file. Open Adobe Audition. Drag your audio file into the workspace and double-click it to open the waveform editor. Step 2. Show spectral frequency. Click the spectral frequency display icon just below the main menu tab, or press Shift+D to view your audio frequencies. Step 3. Highlight the noise. Find the section with the heavy breath or background noise. Left-click and drag your cursor over that specific audio segment to highlight it. Step 4. Capture noise print.
Press Shift+P, or right-click the highlighted area and select Capture Noise Print. Then click OK.
Step 5. Select entire track. Press Ctrl+A to select your entire audio file. Step 6. Apply noise reduction. Press Ctrl+Shift+P, or go to Effects, greater than Noise Reduction, greater than Restoration, greater than Noise Reduction Process. Set noise reduction to 100%. Keep the default settings for the rest, and click Apply.
Step 7. Save your work. If any noise remains, repeat steps 3 through 6 for that specific section. Once clean, press Ctrl+S to save your file.